Hey, Berkley, 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 look here. Berkley, I have a question for you. How do you feel about Obama? Do you like Obama? Oh, seriously? Obama wouldn't do that. He did. Obama did that. No. That sounds like a bunch of conspiracy theories to me. Obama be giving you free cell phones and health care. Obama. Okay, fine. Okay, I got it. I got it. So, how do you feel about socialism? You like socialism? You okay with socialism? Obama? Okay. Alright. I think I got the message. I'm not going to argue politics with you. You seem to have a little bit of a temper, don't you?